Sala, dugay, isang tanang dula!
Okay, this will be the fourth and final quarter of this game.
Sala, dugay, isang tan! Nawa, alas 12 na!
Okay. We have Patrick to Pipito. So Patrick back to Pipito. 15 seconds to shoot. Attempt Pipito. Nakuha ni Pito. And it's 12 seconds to shoot. Bagus nakuha niya po ni Pito. Nakuha ni Estudio. Si Mr. Patrick. 10 seconds to shoot. Si Pito attempt. It's a 3 point. 3 points. Pipito. Okay, yes. Pablo, 15 seconds to shoot. Saluna.
Oh, wala! Wala!
Two points by Saluna.
Juales. Hoy, Sanilas, oh! No, wala!
Hoy, Chinilas!
Hoy, yung sabi na niyo!
Hoy, Chinilas!
Pipito attempt. It's a 2 points by Pipito. The scoring machine of the chasing.
Manalay lang na! Si Kuya, si
We have Ray Tejero.
Tarong-tarungan na ninyo!
Okay, nakanalado.
Wala!
Tapos sa tao
Ate,
sa
mag-graduate na ito. Wow!
Paliwag na bipas. Sir, pakiasisa na diya ang kakuan ni. Kay madelay ang atong dula, mag-alas 2 na.
Mangod pag yun ko, ano, darili na.
Naglabay, mangod ang Chinilas! Naglabay ang Chinilas!
Sa atong mga
technical!
supporters o audience. Dili yan pa magpakita o disrespect sa atong dula karon, di ba?
Naglabay ang Chinilas!
Nga piyesta ang ilan yung gihalad sa ilang patron nga Santo Niño. So, kung naamoy mga kuan, clarification ng ato lang si Captain ng mga doon. O kanang tagawas, palihog lang.
47, 44, tulo. Atwa. NHA, tulo.
Wala lang ha. Atong score dili sa scoreboard is ang CSP 44, dayon ang NHA Saints is 47. Grabe kasakto ang score nato, pariha sa atbang. Sakto.
Inyong cellphone na inyong gilabay sa court.
Change court na. Sakto na siya, sakto.
Sakto na!
Nakamay nakabutang na ni Coach. Warning Pipito.
Uy, ate, warning for graduation.
Pila na ang time out sa voting? Wala pa. Graduhan man. Wala pa yung time out nila na nakuha. Control.
Uy, sunod ko eh!
5 minutes and 42 seconds. 5 minutes 42 seconds for the last quarter of
Tulo
the
pa
game.
man nakapipito!
Opat na. Opat na, sir.
Ihapon na to, dilibe.
Oras. Kapag nabutingon, 5 minutes and 42 seconds. Maminaw tanong, 5 minutes and 42 seconds. Opat na kay Nandola atong referee. Okay, atong score 47-44. NHA in favor.
Ay, third pa na eh. Fourth na. 17 minutes na.
Okay, we have
Oh, wala!
10 seconds to shoot. 5 minutes to 5 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot.
Wala! Oh!
It's a 2 points. Okay, we have Juarez to Esquilio. Esquilio again. And there's a call. We foul up jersey number 13, Mr. Saluna. Pulitan. First is an foul. First team foul for the final quarter of this game. Time is 5 minutes and 22 seconds. Okay, no good for the
Isa
first
lang!
goal. Jersey number 16, Pito. For the last one, Mr. Pitos. Nakuha na kauban na sila. Silda. Si Mr. Tejero. Tejero, buti-buti na
Oh,
sila.
wala!
Tejero.
Wala! Go!
Nakuha na sila. Nakuha na Mr. Pitos sa Suarez. straight. And nakuhaan another foul by Mr. 13. Saluna, Bumitan. Second personal foul, second team foul.
Nice one.
SP. 5 minutes and 4 seconds, ladies and gentlemen.
Awa di akoy!
17 seconds. 5 minutes. 13 seconds to shoot. And it's a 2 points by people.
Kadyo lang, inagsulat pa.
Saluna.
Defense! 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 Defense!
5 seconds to shoot. 2 points by Saluna.
O, labay na kung sa nila, Sok!
We have here Mr. 13 seconds to shoot, 3 people. 10 seconds to shoot.
Oh.
Okay, what's the trap?
Ako'y labay sa inyong chinilas,
Out of bounds. 8 seconds. Remaining shot clock, 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Okay.
Padayon!
4 minutes. 4 seconds.
Isara labaw. Isara labaw.
Wala!
Wala pilay oras.
3 seconds shoot. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. And sa 2 points.
Labaw isa. Sila.
Babaan na lang dali.
3 minutes and 44 seconds. Time out ang team CSP. Okay, shooting number 13.
Warning!
Warning for taking a foul. Saluna. Warning for taking a foul. 3 minutes and 39 seconds. Pag-sorry, Adelord.
Isolati ka sa GMA, ABS-CBN!
Time out. Isa na lang yung time
TV5.
out. Dire kay Duha.
Wala mo
Kapag
kay
may
Chiron,
Duha,
sa-
time out ang NHA.
Eh, yan sa kayo, leche.
Team foul nila. Second team foul. First team foul.
Gaway, sara na ba?
3 minutes and 39 seconds. Okay, Saluna to Pablo. Pablo, in the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds, 3 seconds. Rebound by Estelio. 3 minutes and 18 seconds, ladies and gentlemen, to Suarez. Dito na mga madali. Ginawa na po ang Saluna. 3 minutes, 9 seconds.
Wala!
Alardo for 3.
Chat-chat lang ka sa
Okay, we have Suarez dribbling the ball. Challenged by Tejero, 15 seconds to shoot. 2 minutes and 15 seconds.
Duwa labaw hawa, lagi dia ba?
10 seconds to shoot. 3 points by Mr. Pico. 2
Wales!
minutes, 38 seconds.
Wales! Defense!
Score,
Defense!
50 all.
Defense!
10 seconds to shoot.
Defense! Defense!
10
Defense!
seconds to shoot.
defense!
There it is.
Oh, Pablo! Pablo!
And what's that? It's a lost ball. 2 minutes, 21 seconds. 2 minutes and 21 seconds.
Ano, nanindog naman ang mga...
Okay, we have people. 2 minutes, 15 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Tapping at the line.
Wales!
Isa to rin. I'll bounce pala. 2 minutes, 10 seconds. 14 second shot clock.
Wala lagi ko balo.
10 second shot clock. Last 2 minutes, 5 seconds. 5 seconds shot clock. 2 points. Dito. Finish.
Defense! Defense! Mga lalaki, mga pulos.
105 seconds.
Defense!
15 seconds.
Defense! Defense!
145 seconds. Again, 145 seconds.
Uy, sakit na mo ba kay
1 minute and 40 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 25 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. 4 to leave. No good. 1 minute and 20 seconds. 55 all.
55 all pa natin. 55 all. Dos naman to, 55 ra na. Igualis
Tres
na.
na, dali na.
Dos ra.
I-check ka doon.
Igualis na, igualis. Igualis na.
I-clarify.
Igualis ra na, oy. Igualis. Igualis. Eh, pag-sure mo dia. Igualis, lagi.
Our score is 55 all. 1
Igualis
minute
na.
and 20 seconds. 1 minute and 20 seconds. 55 all. 1 minute 18 seconds.
Defense!
Defense.
15
Defense!
seconds.
Defense. Defense.
10
Defense.
seconds. 1 minute
Defense.
5 seconds. Wala. Seconds in the field. 55 seconds. And there's the foul. 53 seconds. Good foul up.
Fourth na ne?
Pitos. Third personal foul. Second team
Pia,
foul.
pia, pia, pia.
53 seconds.
Ay! Ay! Oh my God.
Now wait for the throw. 53 seconds.
Oh, 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 oh.
1 point. 56, 55. 15 seconds. 45 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 40 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 39 seconds. Wait lang ha. Kapag magtama. Third team foul. Sorry. Alarde. Warning for foul out. Alarde.
Sila team foul.
Wala pa. 39 seconds. 39 seconds na lang. 35 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 31 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. 31 seconds.
Defense! Defense! Defense!
25 seconds.
Defense! Ay!
15 seconds to shoot. 20 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds. Okay. 14 seconds. Lost ball up. Breaking number. Walay foul. Lost ball lang pala. 14 seconds mga ligan. 14 seconds.
Labaw sila isa. Kontra.
Okay, CSP. Third team foul. Ang second team foul.
Balat dos ra, isure ang dos.
Contact, third. 30 fouls ka. Second, team foul.
Ako nabot naman 30 minutes ah. Nabot ang 30 minutes.
14 seconds. Rep. 14 ba? 14 shot clock. Remaining time 14 seconds and we have 14 shot clock. 14 seconds. So wala na shot clock, rep. Wala na. 14 seconds. 1-4. 14 seconds. 10. 5. 5.